Hi budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and narrate about the character Brushista from Garten of Banban. Brushista is a man. His genetic material is a mix of Givanium, brush, and antidirt genes. He is a perfectionist and artist by profession. Gamerjibs and the Euphoric brothers are the creators of Brushista. Brushista is a character that appears behind one of the walls of the underground family. Anthropomorphic and yellow, Brushista has double-jointed arms and legs. It also have a paintbrush-like tail, with two gray stripes encircling a yellow base, and concluding in a blue tip that resembles a teardrop. It also have blue ears, and a tongue that emerges from their lengthy snout. It have a black beret cap as well. Brushista also has black beret hat. His eyes are dark and black. In the Garten of Banban 7, 1 week left poster, Brushista was hinted about. Children who lack artistic talent or are not excellent at drawing are the targets of Brushista. Brushista is known for his perfectionism in art. He expects everything to be flawless, and even the smallest mistake can upset him. If the children don't paint or color perfectly within the lines, it can make him angry, revealing his darker side. For Brushista, failure in the art class or the absence of masterpieces brings out his less pleasant traits. Despite this, he is celebrated as the best artist in the kindergarten. He skillfully applies paint to his tail, creating one masterpiece after another, eventually forming a grand gallery of his artwork. Brushista guards his masterpieces closely, unwilling to let anyone see them, for fear they might be destroyed. His art gallery is strictly off-limits to all, at all times. Brushista stands as a vigilant protector in the game, ensuring no one enters and ruins his paintings, which would surely lead to a bad day for the intruder. In the puzzle segment, players were tasked with sneaking into Brushista's art gallery. They utilized drones to distract Brushista and lure him away from the gallery entrance. This allowed the players to enter, destroy 10 of Brushista's paintings, and escape before he could locate and punish them. This strategy mirrors Brushista's own tactics in the Garten of Banban.
Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.